Oftentimes, I have this discussion with my clients whenever I tell them to buy a land property, a bare land, and they have different plot size. They have 600, they have 400, and they have 500. Some of them usually say the 600 is more expensive or the 600 is sold out. And I advise them to buy 400 square meters. And the discussion goes as this: Chuka, what can I build on 400 square meters? It's not a full plot. 400 square meters is too small. 400 square meters won't be enough for me to build what I want to build. Now, what if I can tell you that this lovely, magnificent, spacious 4-bedroom, fully detached duplex right here in Osapa, Lekki, Lagos is built on a 400 square meters. Now, this property comes with a fully fitted kitchen, a gym room, a cinema room, and 4 spacious rooms and living area. So I'm sure once we told this property that argument, what can I build with 400 square meters, will be put to rest. And if you're coming across my video for the very first time, welcome. My name is Chuka from Terraholmesproperties. Do well to like, subscribe, share this video, drop a comment what you think about this property. So now I'm going to do in a short while, I'm going to flick this camera and I will show you everything you need to know about this property. You can see the carport area. It can comfortably take 6 to 5 cars. So join me, let's go on this house tour together. I'm sure you're going to love what you see. Okay, before going into the property for the day, I just wanted to just show you the environment. So this is the main gate. Show you how secure it is. It's a call to access estate, and this is the entrance to our property. As you can see, it's serene, calm estate for people that want serenity. After the hustle and bustle of Lagos life, you need a calm, serene house environment to go to. So this is the street that leads to our property. So right there, it's our property, and this is the environment. Okay, so I just needed to just show you the entire estate, where it's coming from the main gate to this place. So it's accessible, and the roads are paved. So this is a call to access estate. You can't just come in without having an access from a residence of this property. So this is our property. You can see the car port area. See how spacious it is. See how spacious it is. Okay, so let me go around and show you around the compound, so you see the compound space before going into the main building. Okay, so if you take notes, you see the distance between the main building and the dwarf fence. So it's spacious. It has more room to give you space. It has more room, so it's spacious. That space is not choking, well ventilated, ventilation and all that. So this is the back area. This is what they call the backyard in our local parlance. So call this the backyard. So it has one tank right here that will service this building. So you can decide to erect a scaffold right here and buy and get as much as like 2 or more tanks right here. But this is the tank, and this is the pumping machine. So you can decide to put water treatment in it, but the water here is clean. And if you notice, there is no gensan and there's light. So it shows you that this estate has light. Like, they have light. The building is connected to electricity already. So, and there is light. So it has an electric fence over here, and it has a light on the compound. So it's not trained properly because of the painting. Well, I'm sure if you call me at night, we're going to see it better. Okay, so let me go into property. So stepping in, you're greeted with this glass facade, and this pivot door. This is a pivot door, gigantic door. It comes with a smart lock, 3D face lock, fingerprint, and all that. So right over here, you have this glass window, this glass facade gives you access to the compound. You can view the compound from there. So you can put your AC unit, the standing AC unit right here. The port is already in place, so you just have to just put your standing AC unit. And this is the visitors toilet. This is the visitors toilet. Have your window over here to allow fresh air to come in. So this is our living area. See how spacious this is. So let me step back so you have an overview of the living area. It's done with this beautiful lights right here in the middle. As also check out the POP. And there are lights too on the POP for extra lighting. It also has this window right here. So these are your light controls. This is your video doorbell. It's not on right now. So we have this window right here. And here also. So we have lots and lots of windows in the living area for natural light and ventilation. So let me step into the kitchen. So stepping into the kitchen, you have this pivot door here as well. Kitchen, see how big it is. This is our kitchen. As is chandelier right here overlooking the kitchen island. Kitchen island. How spacious the kitchen is. So we have a refrigerator. We have a washing machine. Okay, this was is locked. Yes, that should be the pantry. So we have cabinets right over here, an oven, microwave, the gas burner. We have 2 gas burners. We have this gas burner, this flat surface gas burner. We have this one as well. So it has an heat extractor, cabinets, lots and lots of cabinets, a double sink. You can slide this to close it to prevent dirt from entering. Once you travel and you don't want the place to be rusted or dirt to be on the sink, so you can literally slide this glass to close it. This right here should be this dishwasher, so it's closed. So we have lots and lots of cabinets for you to put your put whatever you want to put in it. Kitchen island too has a cabinet. Okay, so let me go upstairs, the first floor. I'm done with the ground floor. Okay, so this is the family lounge. See how spacious the family lounge is. Comes with the inbuilt Bluetooth speaker. See the POP in it. So this floor we have 3 rooms on this floor and also a gym. So let me go into the gym. So So this is our gym space. We have our equipment already for you. So once you are buying this property, you are buying together with this gym equipment. Have your treadmill, your multi-purpose fitness, your bicycle. This is for your abdominal. And also the gym gives you access to this balcony, this lovely light, to give you an overview of the environment as well. Now through this balcony you can have access to this room. So whoever, this is the semi-primary suite, so you can come out of your room instead of going outside. If you want your privacy and you want to go to the gym, go and work out in your gym and come into the privacy and comfort of your room. So you have this this slide door that leads to the veranda and this gym. So let me take this way. Let me show you. This is the primary masters. Let me step back so you have an overview of the entire room. Okay, so all our rooms are all in suite. So this is the bathroom for this particular room. Comes with a shower cubicle, toilet and water heater. So we are done with this. That is a semi-primary floor, primary unit room on this floor. So they were going over to the second room on this floor. Okay, this is our wardrobe for this room. You see the wardrobe for it. It's spacious wardrobe. You can put your clothes, your shoes, and your jewelries. Okay, this is our bathroom. For this particular room, all our rooms are in suite. So it comes with a shower cubicle, a toilet seat, a water heater, and there's a window over there for ventilation. And so this is the second room on this floor. If you notice, it has 4 windows to give you natural light and ventilation. So there are 4 windows over here. Okay, so let's go over to the third room on this floor. Okay, so this is the third room on this floor. This is our cupboard over here. Our bathroom is directly facing the cupboard. Our shower cubicle, shower head, our sink, and our toilet seats, and also a water heater, and this window facing the water heater for ventilation and natural lighting. And this is the third room on this floor. So as you can see as well, it has 4 windows too, for natural light and to be well ventilated. Okay. Okay, so we are done with this first floor. Let's go over to the second floor. So on this style, you see this window, the floor to ceiling window right here. Okay, so we are on the second and last floor. Okay, so this floor is where our cinema is, our cinema room. See, it's spacious. You can have nice time with your family. Look at the starlight on the ceiling, the spotlights. If you're a movie lover, you just have quality movie time with your family. And even your guests too can come and have movie nights, like Friday nights. If you don't want to go out, you can have lovely movie nights over here, your popcorn, your drinks, and just have good time. So it's quite spacious, so it can take like 10 people.
this cinema. So we go over to the primary master's bed. Okay, this is our wardrobe by this side. It has lighting on the wardrobe, and this is our master's. See how spacious it is. So our master's has these 5 windows, 6 windows, enough lateral light and ventilation. Okay, this is our bathroom for our masters. It comes with a bathtub.
Okay, so this is our rooftop terrace. So see the spacious. You can come here and have quality time with your family, away, with your wife, away from the kids. Sit down, enjoy the cool evening breeze, look around the environment, So we have an overview of the environment from here. Having a view of the environment from this place. See how serene it's looking. So this property is valued for 550 million naira, and the title on it is Governor's Consent, and the building approval is available. So call the number on your screen for private viewing, and drop a comment what you think about this property. Does this property actually end that argument that what can I actually build on a 400 square meters? You can see for yourself, this is a 4-bedroom fully detached with lots and lots of space, So it all depends on your architect. Once you get a good architect, I'm sure can give you a lovely structure on 400 square meters. So thank you for watching this video to the very end. Until come away next time, thank you and God bless you always.